Alright, so welcome back guys, and we got another step of the process done, and I have my beautiful model that's gonna show how easy it is to move it. What are you doing, silly?
I do what I want.
Okay.
Oh, well, I thought I was gonna have to push like with some muscle.
No, you don't.
I don't. This is easy.
Day 2, and I think this is where we're going to stop for today. I only got a little bit of time. I think I had about 30 minutes to do this. So we've got these boards going across. These are 1x3s, and this is how we're going to attach the roof. I would call them 2x8s. This roofing material is the same roofing material that we used on the chicken tractor. It's really 2 inches by 8 foot long. So as far as the structure, I think we're pretty good. So I've got 2 of these caster wheels that are stationary, and then I have 2 that are swivel. And then all these 1x2s here, these are actually going to be the purchase. I definitely need to get this finished. So here we are so far, and it's actually not that heavy. And then kind of pick it up. So we used all 2x3s at the bottom, and 1x3s and 1x4s. We did that so that it'd be lightweight. Still got more work to do. Alright, so welcome back guys, and we got another step of the process done, and I have my beautiful model that's gonna show how easy it is to move it.
Well, I thought I was gonna have to push like with some muscle.
No, you don't. So the front 2 swivel, and the back 2 are stationary or fixed. Pretty tall, ain't it?
I'm 5'5". Wait, 5'6".
All right, now it's time to get the roost on and the roof. And I'm not gonna put the nesting boxes in just yet. And we're gonna have another video separate on that part. Let me get this roof put on. the other side is just gonna be just like the side we just did. So go pick up my son from school, and we'll get back into it after I get back from there. So we are pretty much done with it. We got the roof stand, we got the roof on. I added some more screws to brace it, and they were using 3.5 to actually go through the 2x3s and through some of the 1x4s to really reinforce this. The roof really made this a lot more rigid. We're not going to do nest boxes now because we still got about 2 more months before they lay eggs, so that'll be another project for another day. This is going to get them the layers on pasture underneath where they're going to be for the rest of the time. It's going to allow me to put the meat birds in the chicken tractor along with our 2 guard geese and our 8 roosters. We actually lost 1 in the brooder, so now it's down to 7 roosters, but that's fine. We're gonna put all them together with the meat birds in the chicken tractor, but we're gonna get the layers in here first.